Experiencing Wi-Fi connection problems with Spectrum Mobile on your iPhone or Android device? Here are some quick fixes to try. First, restart your device and your Wi-Fi hotspot modem to clear any temporary glitches. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Try forgetting the Wi-Fi network and then reconnecting to it. Ensure the Spectrum app version 5.2.1 or later and your device's operating system are up to date. These quick fixes often resolve issues like DNS conflicts, firewall blocks, or carrier-side authentication errors. If these steps don't work, check the next section for more advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Spectrum Mobile Wi-Fi issues, you'll need to investigate further. For iPhone users, manually verify your APN settings by going to Settings, then Cellular, Cellular Data Options, and APN. Make sure it's set to fast.tmobile.com since Spectrum uses Verizon's network. For Android devices, APN settings usually configure automatically, but if you're having issues, check them manually in your network settings. Look for the same fast.tmobile.com APN to ensure proper configuration. Next, verify your SIM card is properly inserted and undamaged. Check for any visible damage or wear. If possible, test your SIM card in another device to isolate whether the issue is with the card or your hotspot. Check Spectrum's coverage in your area using their app or website. Weak signal areas can cause connection issues. If you're in a low-coverage zone, consider using a signal booster to improve your Wi-Fi hotspot performance. Spectrum's mobile app now includes AI-powered diagnostics that can automatically detect common problems like incorrect APN settings or SIM card errors. The app can often resolve these issues without requiring manual intervention or contacting support. If all these advanced steps fail to resolve your connection issues, contact Spectrum's tech support for personalized assistance. They can help diagnose more complex network or hardware problems.